Here I'm using Amrij Makeup Cosmetics product, and this is their concealer. I'm in the shade 2 Ivory. This concealer have a pretty nice coverage and it blends like a butter, and this doesn't crease at all, which is the favorite part of it. This is their blush on in the shade 01. It's in the peachy undertone and this looks very good on the skin. In summers this color is perfect. So this is the same shade I'm using on my eyes. Then here it is their highlighter palette, and this is literally a game changer. It's been very long. I haven't tried a good highlighter. This is not even chunky and looks wow. So this is their mascara. This is pretty good. It gives volume to your lashes and make them look like separate and looks very good. And this is their lipsticks. Oh my god, this is the best shade. This is matte lip color too. And this is the final results. I mean, you guys, I know you love this look and must try their products. Thank you for watching.